Hi, I'm Scott from Med-Eng, and this is the EUD10 Forced Air Cooling Kit. The Forced Air Cooling Kit provides more cooling to the EUD10 bomb suit when you're working in higher temperatures. A couple of the features of the suit are the snaps and straps on the back. That's what actually connects the suit to the cooling pack itself. The hose comes from the cooling pack out into the fan on the bottom of the suit. Inside the cooling pack itself, you can place medical cold packs such as this one, Ziploc bags full of frozen water or freezer gel packs. As you can see here, they fit inside these little dividers. Up to 5 cold packs at a time can fit into there. And as you draw the ambient air from the outside over top of the cold packs, that's what cools the air down. So the more cold packs you have in there, the colder the air is going to be when it comes into the bomb suit. For more information on the Forced Air Cooling Kit, please contact your authorized Med-Eng representative.